Hello dear students of ninth grade. Today I'll go through the preparatory assignments. It's about the chapter number 4. The name of the chapter is Earth Structure. We'll go through the back exercise. First question is about name the sources of information about forces operating inside the earth. Answer is information about forces operating inside the earth is taken by the study of seismic wave material thrown up by the volcanoes and evidence from the theories of the origin of the earth. जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है हमें अबाउट द फोर्सेस ऑपरेटिंग इनसाइड द अर्थ है वो कैसे कौन सी स्टडी से पता चलती है? सेमिक वेव्स मटेरियल थ्रोन बाय द वोल्केनो से जो मटेरियल थ्रो आउट होता है उससे पता चलता है एंड एविडेंस फ्रॉम द थ्योरी ऑफ द ओरिजिन ऑफ द अर्थ और अर्थ का ओरिजिन कैसे हुआ था उन सब थ्योरी से जो है इसके बारे में हमें पता चलता है. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज इन विच पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ इज NIFE फाउंड? व्हाट इज इट कंपोज्ड ऑफ? NIFE is found in the inner core of the die earth. NIFE is composed in nickel and iron, being heavy metal and having high density. These are found deep inside the earth. ये जो metals हैं ये भी धरती के inside जो है वो वहाँ से मिलती हैं. Next question is what are the consequences of the pressure and temperature in the interior of the earth? Answer है due to the extreme temperature of 2200 degree, every matter is in liquid and gaseous state in the interior core. The temperature in the mantle range from 870 degree to 2200 degree. So things are in semi-liquid to liquid state. The crust, a layer of 60 km breadth, is made of solid rock with a density of 2-3 gram. The density goes on increasing to 3 to 4 ग्राम इन द मेंटल. सो धरती के अंदर जो टेम्परेचर है वो एक्सट्रीम टेम्परेचर होने की वजह से जो है लिक्विड और गैसेस के स्टेट में जो है इंटीरियर कोर है वो प्रेजेंट होती है, जिसकी वजह से जो है थिंग्स जो है लिक्विड इनटू लिक्विड स्टेट होती है. द क्रस्ट जो लेयर है ये सारा जो है आपने जो अर्थ की क्रस्ट की जो है ना डेंसिटी है वो धीरे धीरे इंक्रीज़ हो जाती है. दैट इज़ गोज़ टू अप टू द आपने देखा होगा जो टेम्परेचर है वो कैसे बढ़ता है यहाँ पे, ठीक है. तो द मेंटल तक जो बढ़ता ही जाता है. एंड द 10 to 13 सेंटीमीटर इन द कोर. हाउ डू द मेट्रोराइड हेल्प साइंटिस्ट टू नो अबाउट द इंटीरियर ऑफ द अर्थ? एट द टाइम ऑफ द ओरिजिन ऑफ द अर्थ एवरी प्लैनेट एंड मेट्रोराइड्स वर फ्लोटिंग इन द स्पेस and the materials of the earth were the same as that of a meteorite, so the scientists can calculate the composition of rocks of the earth by studying the material found in the meteorites. What is the composition of earth crust? It is made up of rocks with large content of silicate, feldspar, mica, etc. What is the lithosphere? The crust is called lithosphere, made of solid rocks with a thickness of 60 km below high mountains and 6 to 12 km below the oceans. Name the 3 layers of the earth interiors. These are core, mantle and crust. Describe the mantle. State its 2 chief characteristics. Mantle lies between 700 km to 2900 km in depth. It is divided into 2 parts, namely upper mantle and lower mantle, which are in the form of solid rocks and semi-molten rocks respectively. Where is the astrosphere found? In which form does it exist? At the depth of 100 to 250 km, the mantle is partially molten and known as astrosphere with a temperature of 1100 degree. Write one difference between Moho discontinuity and Johannesburg discontinuity. Moho discontinuity is the boundary between crust and mantle, and Johannesburg discontinuity is the boundary between the mantle and core. Why is the Earth's interior is in most part found in the solid state despite great heat and pressure? The solid state of inner core is due to high density and pressure, which have compressed molten rocks material and keep this layer firm and solid in some parts due to high pressure in spite of temperatures of 5000 degree. Distinguish between the following: crust and core. The crust is called the lithosphere because it is pair of the solid rock. Crust जो है वो उसमें solid rock से बनी होती है. The crust is a relatively thin layer of rocks with a thickness of 60 km below high mountains and just 5 to 10 km below the oceans. Core is the most inaccessible part laying at the center of the earth. The core is the dense part of the earth. ठीक है, जो सबसे सेंटर वाला पार्ट है that is known as the core. It is also divided into outer and inner core. टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया है इसको, inner and outer core. The entire core is about 7000 km in diameter. So इसका जो diameter है that is about the 7000 km. Next is Sal and Sima. The name of Sal is taken from the silica and aluminium. Sima is named after silica and magnesium. Moho discontinuity and Jettenberg discontinuity. Moho discontinuity is the boundary between crust and mantle and Jettenberg is boundary between the mantle and core. Structured questions आ जाते हैं आगे. Describe the layer of the interior of earth and their chemical composition. The interior of the earth is divided into three major part. ठीक है, इंटीरियर जो है अर्थ का उसको थ्री पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया. दैट इज़ नोन एज द crust, mantle and core. The crust consists of majority of silica and aluminium is called the Sal. ठीक है, जो crust है उसमें ज़्यादातर सिलिका एंड aluminium है, that is called the Sal. Mantle is called Sima due to the majority of silica and magnesium and is called Sima, which makes the bed of oceans. ठीक है, and the core is called NiFe with excess of nickel and iron. So तीनों ही जो layers हैं that is known, यहाँ पे जो है अलग अलग तरह से जो है वो निकल्स है, जो आयरन है दैट इज़ प्रेजेंट इन द लेयर. देयर आर टू ट्रांजिशनल जोन्स बिटवीन टू consecutive layers of interior of the earth. Name them then state their chief characteristics. The transitional zone between crust and mantle is Moho discontinuity, which is the dividing zone between solid and semi-solid state of rocks due to the increasing temperature as the depth increase. जैसे जैसे depth increase होती जाती है the temperature increase and that part of the rock. The boundary between mantle and core is known as the Jettenberg discontinuity. Below this zone, both density and temperature going on increasing. The density is more than 13 and temperature is more than 2200 degree. Give a geographical reason for each of the following. Temperature state rising gradually toward the interior of the earth. Due to the enhancing density and pressure, the temperature goes on increasing gradually. ठीक है, जैसे जैसे जो है ड्यू टू द एनहांसिंग डेंसिटी एंड प्रेशर, उसकी वजह से जो टेम्परेचर है दैट इज़ इंक्रीजिंग ग्रेजुअली टुवर्ड इनसाइड द इंटीरियर ऑफ द अर्थ. धरती के अंदर जैसे जैसे जो है वो तह की तरफ जाते हैं तो टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज़ होता है. The asthenosphere is in a semi-molten state. At the depth of 100 to 250 km, the mantle is partially molten and known as the asthenosphere due to the temperature around 1100 degree along with the greater pressure and density. Same thing is happening here. You have read in the earlier one. The inner core of the earth is in a solid state. The high pressure in the interior core keep this layer firm and solid in some part in spite of the temperature as high as 5000 degree centigrade. इसके बावजूद भी जो है ये कोर जो है वो फॉर्म रहती है एंड सम पार्ट्स, कुछ पार्ट्स में इसको सॉलिड फॉर्म में भी पाया जाता है. लेवल द पार्ट: एटमॉस्फेयर, लिथोस्फेयर, मेंटल, कोर, हाइड्रोस्फेयर. एटमॉस्फेयर गैस, lithosphere solid, mantle semi-solid, core molten state of liquid, hydrosphere liquid, water. What part is suitable for human habitations and why? Outer part of the earth is suitable for human habitations due to favorable conditions for survival. जो धरती का सबसे ऊपर वाला हिस्सा है that is the favorable in human conditions where we can survive easily. That is atmosphere of air. Lithosphere for settlement due to the ideal temperature, जहाँ पे ideal temperature है so we can survive easily there. Hydrosphere for hydrological cycle for providing rainfall and fresh water bodies on the earth. Hydrosphere की वजह से जो है वहाँ पे जो है hydrological cycle है that is providing fresh water for the human bodies and earth on the earth and ocean for navigation and trade routes, etc. State two chief characteristics of Earth crust. The crust is a relatively thin layer of rocks with a thickness of 60 km below high mountains, just 5 to 10 km below the ocean. Next one is the temperature of the upper part of the oceanic crust has been estimated at 0 degree, but it gradually starts rising toward the interior. Which layer is responsible for Earth's magnetic field and why? Core is composed of iron and nickel, so core is responsible for Earth's magnetic field. Give a geographical reason for each of the following. Life is so called. The core of the Earth is called NIFE. It is made up of nickel and iron. The core of the Earth is most inaccessible part of the Earth. The core of the Earth is most inaccessible part of the Earth because it is laying at the center of the Earth. Core is the inner part of the most inner part of the Earth. The Earth crust undergoes many changes. The continued changes of the Earth crust is due to the force of nature and the thickness of the lithosphere, which is very fragile compared to the nature and composition of the Earth. So next one is about the picture. You have to draw a label diagram to show the interior of the Earth. You can see in this picture, this is the innermost part of the Earth. Okay, core is the most inner part, another one is mantle, and the outermost is the crust. I hope you understand about this chapter. Good luck for your exam. Thank you.